Dual drive by Aaron.
You got Gabriel starting in first.
No. No. Oh, that's tragic. That's tragic.
Gabriel in first with a 39.802. Dion in second with a 38.03. Jamie in third with a 37.803.
Damn.
Marshall. Gabriel's got a little breathing room. Oh.
No. Who's that? Oh, lap traffic. There's Gabe. Gabe in second.
29.803.
Dion in third. David Gibson in fourth. I think now fifth. I think Norwood might have just gotten around him. Oh, he gets David Gibson stuck again. In the middle, in the infield. Dave is now, I think, in fifth. Oh, unlucky. Interesting, uses a two-stick setup instead of the pistol grip controller. It works for him, though. It's alright, it's Denmark, he'll move.
There you go, thank you.
Denmark will move. There's a good battle, Jay and Gabe. Come on, Jay, reel him in. Dion's about a straightaway back on first and second. Gabe's rolling. Jay can't quite reel him in. Some lap traffic. Dion's in third. Oh! Start finish line, little caution. Oh, that hurts. That lets Dion around him. Perry, he would be putting up great times, but had the unfortunate incident in the beginning. Oh, in the middle. That was Dion. Gonna let Jay catch him. Jay and Dion second and third. Oh! Is that Norwood right up on Jay? Yeah, Norwood right up behind Jay. You're pulling it over is one thing, putting it in the pipe's quite another. Norwood, put a little pressure on Jay, see if you can't get around him. It's alright, relax, Jay. It's not, Marshall's not the reason you're not in first. I think that's David Gibson. Ball Gabe for a bit. Good job, Robert. Gary up to fifth.
That all total, V112, that is in second place, let him by.
That's a pretty good battle, Gary and Todd. 4 positions, 5th and 6th. Oh no, Todd gets around Gary for position. Gary got hung up on the pipe. Can he get it back on the back straight? Comes up a little short on the double. Cases it. Gives Todd some room. Shenanigans on the back straight. Oh, help him out. There's Jay. I don't even know what position he's in right now. Jay's in third. Deion's in second right there. See if we can do the curse of the announcer on Deion. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, Deion, looking good. Jay's coming, but Norwood's not trying to get out of the way. That for position? That is. Norwood and Jay battling for third and fourth on the back straight right there. Norwood trying to make the buggy as wide as possible. Jay trying to find a way through. Not a whole lot of places to pass here. But if you can get inside there. Oh, but here's one. Go outside on the first corner, then you're inside on the second corner. You can do it. Norwood stretched it out, a little bit of room. Norwood's catching Deion. Norwood and Jay are catching Deion. Oh, Jay rolls it. Norwood trying to catch Deion. Can he do it? Tell him how much time they have left.
You guys have a minute 22 to go.
There's Deion. Norwood trying to catch him. I think that's Gary in between. Oh, it's close. Norwood gets around.
All right, you got Gabriel still in first place with 21.802.
Gabe coasting. He's lapped Jay. Hey, again, apologies to everybody for somehow deleting an amazing forward buggy race off my phone. Apologies, apologies, apologies. Oh, punts the leader. Punts the leader. They're out of my bad. What happened to Norwood? He was right behind. He was right behind Deion for a second. Oh, don't yell at the marshals. Don't crash. You don't need them. Get him, Perry. Even though you're way down the order, Perry. Hey, don't yell at the marshals. Don't yell at the marshals. Oh. Back straight, back straight.
Track is still live, guys.
Marshall in the middle. Marshall in the middle. Track's still hot. That's it.